CAR PPF stands for Car Paint Protection Film. It is a transparent automotive film that is applied to the exterior surfaces of a vehicle to protect its paint from various forms of damage. PPF is also commonly referred to as clear bra or paint protection film. PPF can protect your car's paint from a variety of hazards, including flying rocks and road debris, bug splatter, tree sap, bird droppings, UV rays, chemical stains. PPF can also help to maintain the gloss and shine of your car's paint, making it look newer for longer. PPF is typically applied to the front hood, bumper, headlights, and fenders, as these areas are most susceptible to damage. However, it can also be applied to the entire car for maximum protection. The cost of PPF will vary depending on the size of your car, the type of film you choose, and the installer. However, it is generally considered to be a worthwhile investment, especially if you own a new car or a car that you plan to keep for many years. Here are some of the benefits of having CAR PPF installed. Protects your car's paint from damage. PPF is a highly effective way to protect your car's paint from a variety of hazards, including flying rocks, road debris, bug splatter, tree sap, bird droppings, UV rays, and chemical stains. Maintains the gloss and shine of your car's paint. PPF can help to keep your car's paint looking newer for longer by protecting it from the elements and everyday wear and tear. Increases the resale value of your car. A car with well-preserved paint will typically have a higher resale value than a car with damaged paint. Easy to maintain. PPF is relatively easy to maintain. Simply wash your car as usual and avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners. If you are looking for a way to protect your car's paint and keep it looking its best, CAR PPF is a great option. CAR PPF provides excellent protection for a vehicle's paint. It may not completely prevent all types of damage, especially in extreme situations. However, it is a valuable investment for those looking to maintain the appearance and value of their vehicles.